So maybe you're bored at home and you're just thinking about some projects to put your energy, time, and money into, or maybe you're preparing your house for sale and you're wondering where you should spend $1 to make more than $1 back when you go to sell it. What are the things that you should be doing? Let's take a look at that real quick and make sure that you're spending your money in the right places and not the wrong places. So item number one that we can look at for how to improve your home's value while not spending more money than the value of that improvement is adding usable or functional square footage. And I'm not necessarily talking about an addition to the house, because typically you're going to spend more on that project than you would get in returned value when you sell the house. So that's not a good trade if that's the math that you're trying to do. But if you can open up a floor plan that's very compartmentalized, if you can create a workspace or office out of your existing footprint that takes maybe an unused formal living room and turns it into an office, that's very functional and desirable space from a buyer's perspective in 2023. And then the other thing is if you can add storage. So maybe you've got attic space that could be finished off. Maybe you've got a garage that you could be more strategic about how you're using the space. Just anything to give your future buyer more functional and usable square footage is a plus. And usually you're going to get more than $1 returned for $1 spent. Category number two for where you can get a good return on your investment for home projects is your curb appeal. So this could be simple things. Maybe it's put a new mailbox in, put new house numbers on the home. It could be addressing any dead spots in your yard, putting in flowers, shrubs, plants, trees, etc. You get the point. And my little side tip is that I have no skill and expertise in figuring out how improving a landscape is going to work. But what I do know is that there are plenty of people out there. I won't spend time now giving references, but go and find a landscape architect or somebody that does landscape design to help you identify the particular things that you could improve with your yard that would give you the biggest bang for the buck. So that is category number two. Category number three for where you can add value to your home and spend $1 to make more than $1 on that project is outdoor living spaces. And so this could be as simple as just adding a little fire pit area in the backyard. Could be as extravagant as putting a pool in, but typically given the cost of pools now and the value add, that's not a good return. The one thing that you could be strategic about is a summer kitchen area. Now you can go, just crazy with the amount of money that you spend on a summer kitchen, but if you're strategic about it and budget conscious and you do a good job of that in your yard, more than likely you will add significantly more than $1 of value to a future homeowner than the $1 that you spend on that project. So hopefully that gets your wheels turning for how you could improve your outdoor spaces. And then as far as adding value to the property, this is a bonus category, which it's as simple as cleaning and decluttering. Like if you're actually getting ready to sell your house, I'd say at least 8 out of 10 homes that I walk in need just a touch of cleaning and decluttering prior to going on the market. It's kind of like detailing a car before you sell it. You just want it to look and smell as clean and organized as possible, because that really puts buyers in the right mindset for purchasing and pursuing your home. If it looks put together, when they walk in the front door and walk through the living areas, they're going to be in an organized and relaxed mindset, versus if things are disheveled and all over the place, it kind of makes people feel uncomfortable and anxious. So those are my tips on how to spend $1 to make more than $1 on a home project. If you've got any questions, feel free to give me a call, 904-405-1995, or you can send me an email, jeff@era.com. Hope you're having a great day, and we'll catch up soon.